Hey, it's Arnold with Benchmark. Come on in. I want to show you this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome in awesome San Marcos, California. So as you walk into the home, you're immediately welcomed by the living room with a pass-through fireplace, dining area, and a full kitchen. Let's go check it out. The kitchen here features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a seating area with the bar that walks right into the seating area for the dining room. Located right here off the dining area is a private patio with a fully fenced area for dogs, kids, yourself, any kind of privacy that you need. Let's go upstairs and check out the rest of the house. Located right up here at the top of the stairs is a loft area that can be used as an exercise area, office, den, whatever you want. As you walk in the master, you have 2 closets full of space, fully mirrored for all of your changing needs. The master bedroom is also featured with hardwood flooring and vaulted ceilings. Down the hall here, you've got 2 bedrooms and a full bath. Come on, let's go check them out.